Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of emails, trying to nail down a meeting time that works for everyone? It's a familiar pain, isn't it? Back and forth, schedules clashing, calendars a mess. It's a productivity killer. And that's exactly what we're tackling today. We're diving deep into a tool that can rescue you from this scheduling nightmare: HubSpot Meetings. Specifically, we're exploring what HubSpot Meetings is best used for and how you can leverage it to reclaim your time and boost your efficiency. Now, you might be thinking, another scheduling tool? Really? And I get it. There are tons out there. But HubSpot Meetings isn't just another scheduling tool. It's integrated directly into the HubSpot ecosystem, which means it plays nicely with your CRM, your marketing efforts, and your sales processes. This integration is where the real power lies. It's not just about booking a time. It's about connecting that booked time to a bigger picture. So what is HubSpot Meetings best used for? Let's break it down. First and foremost, HubSpot Meetings excels at simplifying the scheduling process itself. Think about it. Instead of those endless email chains, you simply send a link. This link takes the recipient to a page where they can see your availability and choose a time that works for them. Boom. Done. No more back and forth. It's incredibly user-friendly, both for you and the person booking the meeting. They don't need a HubSpot account, they don't need to download anything, they just click and choose. But it goes beyond just basic scheduling. Because it's part of the HubSpot ecosystem, you can customize your meeting links. You can create different meeting types, each with its own duration, location, virtual or in-person, and even specific team members assigned to it. This is incredibly useful for streamlining different kinds of meetings. For example, you could have one link for initial sales consultations, another for product demos, and a third for customer onboarding calls. Each link would reflect the specific requirements of that meeting type. Now, let's talk about the real magic: the integration with the HubSpot CRM. When someone books a meeting through your HubSpot link, that information automatically flows into your CRM. This means you get a complete record of the meeting, linked to the contact or company involved. No more manual data entry, no more missed details. It's all there, neatly organized and readily accessible. This integration opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine you're a sales rep, you send a meeting link to a lead. They book a consultation. Not only is the meeting scheduled, but the lead's record in your CRM is updated, perhaps triggering an automated email sequence to nurture them further. After the meeting, you can easily log notes directly within the CRM, keeping all communication and context in one place. Or consider a customer success manager. They can use HubSpot Meetings to schedule onboarding sessions. The CRM integration ensures that the customer's progress is tracked and any potential roadblocks are flagged. This allows for proactive support and a smoother customer experience. Beyond sales and customer success, HubSpot Meetings can be a powerful tool for marketing teams. You can embed meeting links in your email newsletters, on your landing pages, or even in your social media posts. This makes it incredibly easy for prospects to connect with you and learn more about your offerings. You can even use meeting links to gate content, requiring visitors to book a consultation before accessing a valuable resource. Another key advantage of HubSpot Meetings is its flexibility. It integrates with Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Apple Calendar, so you can manage your availability from your preferred calendar platform. This eliminates the need to switch between different applications, saving you time and hassle. You can also customize the look and feel of your meeting booking page to match your brand. Add your logo, choose your brand colors, and create a personalized message to make a professional impression. Furthermore, HubSpot Meetings offers features like automated reminders and notifications. You can set up email reminders to be sent to both you and the meeting attendee before the meeting, reducing the risk of no-shows. You can also receive notifications when someone books, cancels, or reschedules a meeting, keeping you informed every step of the way. Now, let's address some specific use cases. HubSpot Meetings is ideal for sales teams, scheduling demos, consultations, and follow-up meetings; customer success teams, onboarding new customers, providing support, and conducting check-ins; marketing teams, generating leads, promoting events, and offering consultations; recruiting teams, scheduling interviews and candidate screenings, freelancers and consultants, booking client meetings and managing their schedules. Essentially, anyone who needs to schedule meetings efficiently and effectively can benefit from HubSpot meetings. It's a versatile tool that can be adapted to a wide range of industries and roles. So, to recap, HubSpot meetings is best used for simplifying the scheduling process, eliminating email back and forth, and making it easy for people to book meetings with you, integrating with your CRM, connecting meeting data to your contacts and companies for a complete view of your interactions, automating workflows, triggering email sequences, updating CRM records, and streamlining your processes, customizing meeting types, creating different meeting links for different purposes, each with its own settings, improving communication, sending automated reminders and notifications to reduce no-shows, boosting productivity, saving time and effort by automating tasks and centralizing information. HubSpot meetings isn't just about scheduling. It's about optimizing your entire workflow, from initial contact to closed deal and beyond. It's about creating a seamless and efficient experience for both you and the people you're meeting with. It's about reclaiming your time and focusing on what matters most, building relationships and growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.